Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm going to show you how to put in laminate floating floor. So I'm here by a finished section of this floor, and I want you to notice that we've got it shimmed out. You're supposed to shim it out almost a ½ inch, 5/16 of an inch. We got some shims in here. You know, the reason that you do it is because you're going to get some expansion and contraction, and your wall trim is going to cover up those edges. So you want to make sure that you've got that set up right, because otherwise what will happen is, you know, if you don't have any room to expand, the laminate will begin to bubble up in places, and so you don't want that to happen. So make sure you like and subscribe to my videos for all my updates on my channel. Thanks for watching. Now I've come in the middle of this project, so this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to start where the other crew left off, and we're going to flow it into the kitchen and down the hallway. So stick with me and we'll start laying this stuff. What we want to do, because I'm starting where someone else has ended, I want to find out where the seams are. I've got one right here and one right here. So I don't want to put this right here because I want 3 patterns. 1, 2, maybe 3. So I won't put a full piece in there. I'm going to see what else I've got. I got nothing. Now when you look at one of these boards, what you notice is this. They have a seam here and a seam here. It doesn't really divide it exactly in thirds, but this is a good way to get your stair step. Cut one of them there, cut the next one there, so that you can stair step and get it to look like that, stair stepped. All right, so I found my starter piece. To keep it away from the wall, use another piece of laminate, which just happens to be about the right width. So slide that in there and get started. Use this tool, drive this in. You want it to be tight. Yeah, it's be tight. Now when you put the second piece in, it makes it easy if you lift up this piece and kind of get it started a little bit. It may not go all the way in. You get it started. That's in there nicely. Now what we need to do is we need to beat this down. Give it a couple taps. Didn't tighten up. We'll tap it from the other end. It's easier. That way I can kneel on this one while I tap in this one here. Now it's nice, it's got a nice tight seam. Hold it at 30-degree angle, get it in, push it down. So when you get this in before you drive that tight, put this kind of up in the air. Drive that over. Cut it on the wrong side. Ever done that? we're at the corner, and what that's going to require, a pocket cut. So I'm going to have to put that in and cut it out like, you know, kind of like a pocket. And then we come to the door trim, and you could pocket cut around the door trim, but I don't advise it. What I advise is you take a piece of your siding, turn it upside down, put it right next to there, get your cutoff saw, your handy dandy cutoff saw, and cut away. What that does, makes so you can slide that thing underneath there, huh? You like that? Oh, that's nice. And we're going to get ready for our mystical, magical pocket cut. So to do the pocket cut, you kind of sort of get it in place, and you put a mark, 5/16 away right there. So I'm going to cut it 7 1/8. It's not going to leave a lot. You could kind of butt it up and cheat. I just as soon make it look like it's one piece. And here's our mystical, magical cut, pocket cut. We're going to put it in there, see what happens. I'm going to slide this baby in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Get that. Goes right in there. Now sometimes, when you get to the end of a run, it's kind of hard to get this in there. You probably should have left a little bit more gap there. We'll fix that later on. We'll buzz that off. But you see this little gap here? You need to close that gap up. That's not a good thing. So we got this tool you can buy in a kit, and put it back there and pull it out. But first what we're going to do is we're just going to use this to get her started. We'll put more of a gap in there later. Because you really do make sure, get that in there, and then taking you pound on these, have to fill that gap right up. That's excellent. That is excellent. Very nice. That's what these tools are for. Move on down and get it all filled in. Get it nice and tight. So this is the finished product. This is the living room. Looking good. We got all of our stuff down there in the corner. Here we have the dining or kitchen nook here. And trim comes later. We've got all this stuff in here. Right there in the kitchen. Looking good. And then we have it running down the hallway. And look at that. So that is how you put laminate flooring in your house. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the laminate flooring that is laid in the shack that Dennis built. Make sure you like and subscribe to all my videos to get updates of everything that I do. Thanks for watching.